Hey people watching this video, welcome to this workout commentary. And today, right now, I just want to bring you through a very simple leg workout I did at the War3House Gym in Subang. Now, if you guys don't know about the War3House Gym, it is like by far the only warehouse gym environment I've ever been to. So do go and check it out. So today was the first time actually doing legs here in this gym. As you can see in the video, you see another female person there. She is a friend of mine, and I brought her along to the gym because she hasn't been to the gym before. So today was first time she actually came to the gym. So I'm bringing her through this leg workout with me, teaching her how to squat with proper form. You know, girls, your main goal is that booty, right? You want to get the glutes, legs and abs today. So started off with squats, 10 kilograms with I think 12 reps. And then I moved up the weight and I'm going for 10 reps. My friend Liz, she couldn't, the bar itself was too heavy for her, so I actually brought her to the dumbbell section to squat. Basically what you want to do is, if you can't squat with the bar, you can always hold the dumbbell close to your chest and still squat with proper form. Next exercise, we headed on to seated hamstring curls. Now, this machine particularly was very weird because the seated hamstring curl machines I usually do is there's like this cushion above your quads, right, to hold you down. This one is a bit hard because like you can't really secure your butt on the seat itself. We did 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, I think. Moving on to V squats. Now, the cool thing about War3House, right, is they have a lot of leg exercise machines. So it was very fun to just explore a few of them and today just choose what you really want to do. For that, we did 4 sets of 8 of 10 reps. Final leg workout was calf raises. Now again, they have like this super cool calf machine where it's like, it's not seated, it's not standing. You lean back and basically put your feet at that position, and yeah, I went for high reps for the calves and finished off with some abs, hanging leg raises. And I just tried to do this, I don't know, this wiper thing, but instead of straightening my legs because I couldn't, my abs are too weak, so I did with the knees. And I only could do like 4 reps each side, I guess. 4 reps on each side, so it wasn't that good. After the leg raises, we actually moved on to some crunches. So yeah, that's it for today's leg and ab workout. Yeah, it might look like we just did like 4-5 exercises, 6, but I was also like guiding my friend through the workout, so it took a lot of time, meaning that I was teaching her and showing her proper form. But hope you guys enjoyed this workout and do enjoy the rest of the video. What's up, welcome to this video. It's Monday and the new SEM has started. Honestly, not very ready, but this SEM I only got 3 modules, so I only have classes on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So today Mondays 9 AM classes, guys. It sucks big time. And reunited with John again. So that's a very awkward wave. After class, gonna go for lunch. Gonna definitely go to the gym. This guy hasn't been to the gym in like what, 2 months ah. Damn sad eh. So for lunch, pre-workout, got chicken tikka with some mint sauce and some rice. So yeah, at RK Fatima, some mama here. makan this one. Then go to the gym. So I'll see you guys at the gym. In the big gym. Today is Monday, so that means we all know it's International Chest Day, so we're gonna get some chest and a little bit of triceps, so we're gonna focus on chest first, focusing on bench. So let's get it. First exercise we just did bench. What we did was what my friend Darwin kind of recommended. It's like a reverse pyramid. So we start off with the heaviest. We warmed up first. Then we started with the heaviest. We did like 3 reps, and then we dropped the weight, and then we went for higher reps. Second exercise for chest today will be incline dumbbell. I don't like to ignore the incline because incline is for the upper chest lah. So for this you're going to do pyramid. So earlier was reverse pyramid. This will be pyramid. So it's going to be lighter weight, higher reps, and then we increase the weight, lower reps. For our last final chest movement before I head on to a little bit triceps will be the cable flies. So you don't have to go for this exercise. You don't have to go very heavy. It's really more of isolating the chest. So really just focusing on the squeeze, the contraction, and controlling the eccentric on the way down. Don't go heavy and use your momentum and start using your momentum and stuff. Yeah. For this workout, I usually like to go higher than my shoulder, but not too high, not this high. Probably around here. And right now, do you see the clock tower there? So there's actually a secret passage. There's actually a way to go on top. Go there. So we're trying to be adventurous and stuff, and Percy Jackson and all that. So we're gonna try to find the way, the stairs to actually get up there, because we don't want to miss out. Like, you know, most of us are at final year and stuff. So I'll update you guys on our progress. Might be breaking the law, but we're above the law. Okay, so before we go in, we need to do some recon. So what I want to see is, now the clock tower is there, so you have to visualize that it's in the middle, right? So the door is definitely in the middle. It's definitely in the middle. Okay, there's a lift. Oh shit. So we're taking the lift because there's a guard there. Why am I whispering the lift?
Why are you whispering?
It doesn't make sense to whisper.
It sounds like I was just...
Good news, we know where the access to the clock tower is, but the bad news is it's locked. So yeah, I think the plan is...
We have a lock. We have a...
Yeah, you gotta jimmy the lock and just pick the lock. No big deal. But anyway, oh, easy. We send a signal to jam the clock. So then they need to send someone to repair. And then we go, when they're going to, we hack into the provost's computer to see when they're going to schedule the maintenance, and that's the day we go. Simple. Anyway, right now we're gonna hit for dinner. See you guys there.
You wanna do this? Okay.
Just came back from dinner. Went to Pizza Hut because they had this promotion, 5 ringgit for regular. No, for a personal pizza, 10 ringgit for regular, 15 for large. Not bad lah, it's only for takeaway. I think they're trying to compete with Domino's lah. But I mean, Domino's hands down still the better pizza than compared to Pizza Hut lah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more Chilean gains. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.